There it is. Can you see it through the fog, the mist? It's pretty cold out here. Drizzling a little. The snow, a little bit of snow, more drizzle though. Really foggy. It's about 0 Celsius, if not a little colder. But regardless, we're going into the core. Can't call it off now. So we've got good crew already. We're still not even leaving for another 15 minutes. There's a good crew. Probably 10 trucks already, and we're still 15 minutes away. There's a lot of people that show up right at the button. So there's the skyline up in the mist, in the fog. That is quite the trailer.
Is that one just kind of like all bolted, like screwed together kind of idea?
Well, there's some soldering in there.
Axial. Is that a body choice?
Shove them over a little bit.
Shove them around. Get the Chevy in there. You got a little bit of each. Chevy, Ford, and a Jeep all lined up. Is this your abortion job, Paul?
Bet. Got a big Viper in it.
Oh yeah, so
Oh
you can
yeah,
just
that's
do
gonna
that.
happen
Yeah.
a whole bunch.
That's awesome. Get used to seeing that.
Something's happening here. Hurricane!
What is that?
Oh, really? It's a toy, alright.
That's awesome.
Lots loaded up.
I didn't count the ones that are hanging on people's backs either. Oh yeah, I got one over there. We're still missing 2 over there. 3.
Backpacks, honey, backpacks right now.
I think people will break their trucks well before then.
Oh! Lost his drinks.
Don't cry.
Oh, look at that.
Roll it, roll it.
Nice.
Almost lost my protein drink. Oh.
Tree hugger. You can come this way or that way if you go dark. Oh, you just missed it. Little help. Little help.
That's a little bit.
Come on, Homer. A lady from CBC News was driving past on the road and decided to come check us out. So she's interviewing Ted right now, so we'll probably see it on the news later. We'll be sure to post up and let you guys know when and where and show you the video if they do decide to run it.
Lots of us every day.